Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I am going to make green masala prawn biryani. This is a very yum biryani and guys, you must try it. Let me quickly take you through the ingredients. You can also see the quantity of these items scrolling in your screen as well as in the description box. So we are going to use jeera rice, prawns, onion, tomato, green chili, mint leaf, coriander leaf, ginger, garlic, lime, soya sauce, vinegar, curds, ghee, oil, turmeric, salt. And for the spices, I've taken bay leaf, fennel seeds, nutmeg, a very small piece of nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, khuskhus or poppy seeds, and some few cashew nuts. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is marinate the prawns with some turmeric powder and salt. I'm going to give it a nice mix so that the salt and turmeric is mixed into the prawns, and keep this in the refrigerator till I prep the other ingredients. So guys, here I've sliced the onions and tomato. I've cleaned the mint and coriander leaf, the ginger and garlic. I'm going to grind the mint, green chili and coriander. And I'm also going to grind the ginger and garlic, and I'm going to powder the dry spices. So guys, I'm done with the grinding and powdering. So these are the main ingredients for your biryani. This is the green masala, which is going to add color and spice to your biryani. The mint, coriander and green chili. I've added very little water just to initiate the spinning process, and I've grinded it to a fine paste. The next super ingredient is the ginger and garlic paste, where I've added absolutely no water. And these are the dry spices that I have powdered. You can see the quantity of each of the spices I've taken for this in the description box as well as on your screen. So I've taken a heavy bottom pan and I've added half cup of ghee and half cup of oil, and I'm going to fry the onion in this. So I'm taking only half the onion, the other half I'm going to use it for the ghee rice. So I'm frying the onions till it becomes translucent, and you can see it is turned light pink. At this stage I'm going to add the ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to fry this till the raw aroma of the ginger and garlic goes. Now the onion and ginger garlic paste has been fried. Now I'm getting the nice aroma of the ginger and garlic paste. Now to this I am going to add the dry masala. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add the sliced tomatoes. Mix it well. So I've mixed the tomato well. Now I'm going to close the vessel and cook this in a low flame till the tomatoes are nice and soft. So while the tomatoes are getting cooked, I'm going to wash and drain my rice. In about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to see if the tomato is cooked. So it looks cooked. Ensure you are cooking it in a very low flame so that it does not burn and stuff. Just smash the tomatoes so that you don't get pieces of tomato in your biryani. Now to this I'm going to add the green masala. Give it a stir. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to add some salt. Remember, you have already added a bit of salt while marinating the prawns, so add accordingly. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to add the curds. I've taken half cup curds here. I'm going to add that. Give it a nice mix. Now once the curds is cooked and you can see that the masala is boiling, I'm going to add in the prawns. So now you can see the prawns is cooked and the water has also released from the prawns. So I'm just going to let this gravy cook for some more time so that it becomes a little thicker consistency. Now you can see guys, the oil has come to the surface, the masala is reduced to a certain amount. Now at this stage I am going to squeeze in the lime juice. So I'm adding one full lime here and I'm adding the vinegar and the soya sauce. Give it a nice mix and the smell is just something else. It is a little painful process, this biryani, but it is just worth every minute. So guys, you can check for salt and spice at this point. So you can add more chili or you can add more salt and then your gravy is done. Next we will be cooking the ghee rice. So I have taken half cup of ghee. I'm adding 2 cinnamon sticks and 10 cardamoms and 10 cloves. Let it just fry a bit and I'm going to add the onion to this. Now you can see that the onion has turned light brown. Now to this I'm going to add the rice which I have washed and drained. Now I've mixed the rice thoroughly with the ghee. Now I'm going to add the water. Now the water ratio for jeera rice is, for 1 cup of rice I will be adding 2 cups of hot water. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add salt and mix it. The water has to be slightly on the saltier side. Only then the rice is going to absorb the salt. So I'm going to let this cook till the water is reduced. So guys, it's been about 10 minutes since the rice has been cooking. As you can see, the water has reduced. Now at this stage I'm going to place the lid and cook the rice for another 3 minutes in a low flame. So guys, the rice has been cooking for now 3 minutes. As you can see, it is 70% to 80% cooked. Now I'm just going to off the stove. I'm just going to close it and let it sit for another 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to layer the biryani. So I've taken a heavy bottom pan and I've just put a little oil before I start layering. So the first layer is going to be my prawn masala. So I'm just going to put enough masala to cover the base. So I've just spread the masala evenly in the base. Now I'm going to add the rice. So I've covered the masala with the rice and now I'm going to put another layer of the masala and then rice and continue this process till the masala and rice is layered. So this is the third and final layer of the biryani. Now I'm just garnishing the biryani with some mint and coriander leaf and I'm going to dum this for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now since I've done the biryani on a tawa. Let me open it. Wow, it just smells awesome. Now guys, when it comes to plating this biryani, since it is a layered biryani, you need to mix the masala well with the rice so that you get all the flavors of the masala induced into the rice and you can serve this. Guys, do try this recipe. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make this. Do try it as well. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.